In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text pop effects in Shotcut. We'll use a simple resizing trick with keyframes to create that pulsing, beating pop you see in dynamic titles. I'm demonstrating with a picture, but the exact same method works for any text or graphic you already have on your timeline. First, make sure your image or text clip is selected in the timeline. With it highlighted, go to the Filters panel, click the plus button, and add the Size, Position, and Rotate filter. This is the tool that lets us scale and animate the element. Start by placing your element in the center of the frame. You can drag it with the on-screen handles or use the Filters controls to position it neatly in the middle so the pop feels balanced. Next, set your starting size to 22.5. This will be your baseline. The resting size your element returns to between each pop. With that set, turn on keyframing by clicking the keyframe icon. In the filter, you'll see a keyframe timeline appear for this effect. Move the keyframe marker a little forward in time. Just a short distance works well for a snappy pop. Now change the size to 40.0. You've just created the pop moment. Move the marker forward again by roughly the same amount of time, then bring the size back down to 22.5. That completes one beat. Small at 22.5, quick pop to 40.0, and back to 22.5. To create a continuous popping effect, repeat that same pattern across the portion of the clip you want to animate. Advance the marker, set size to 40.0 for the pop, move forward, and return to 22.5. Do it over and over to build a consistent rhythm. If you want it to pulse faster, place the keyframes closer together. For a slower, more relaxed beat, space them out a bit more. Zooming into the timeline can help you place keyframes precisely and keep the intervals even. As you repeat the sequence, play back your clip to check the timing and smoothness. The key is consistency. A stable starting size of 22.5, a quick peak at 40.0, and a clean return to 22.5. Keep going until you've filled the section you want animated, and you'll have a crisp, eye-catching pop effect that draws attention to your text or image. And that's how to create text pop effects in Shotcut. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.